MSC Cruise Ship. This is my friend. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Dana. I'm from Indonesia.
Yes, guys. So we are happy to work on this cruise ship, and
Come
we are
and join
enjoying.
us.
Come and join us. We are enjoying right here. Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel again. My name is Donley Chimtua. In today's video, ntodakukudzai guys about the cruise ships. I receive my messages to a lot of people saying I've been scammed. I sent money to someone promising me for the job. I want to tell you today, guys, when you are doing the cruise ship, you don't have to send money to someone. So this video, I'm going to tell you guys, Guti, no wanna say basa rekuma ship and how do you apply. I'm gonna take a quick video because now I'm at work, so I'm gonna make this video short. Alright, first thing, kana uchida kushanda kuma ship, you have to get a CV first, a professional CV. Guys, you need a professional CV. I'm gonna put a symbol of a professional CV on this video. So on the CV, unofanira kunge une experience. So for example, if you want to be a waiter, you need to have an experience of a waitress or a waiter. So pa CV pako wanokuma shipi wanoda experience inema companies anema 5-star hotels. But azvirewe kuti iwewe kana usina experience inema companies anema 5 stars ukwanisi kushanda kuship. No, you have to try, guys. So for example, if you want to be a galley utility, if you want to be a housekeeper, you need to apply with what you have. Ndine wangu wana wakato apply kumashipi nema fake CVs wakato wana basa. But it's not guaranteed, guys. I want to tell you this. Kana wani CV rako, next step you have to apply. That's where most of the people got scammed. How? Because there are a lot of scammers online, and these people are pretending to be like agencies, cruise ship agencies, and they are taking a lot of money from poor people. So I saying send money, send $200 for the paperwork, this and this, blah 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 blah. No. So the next step, once you got the CV, you need to apply. Where you need to apply? So kuma shipi, kunema agencies, ema cruise ships, right? So you can apply on the agency's website, or you can apply on my main website, Emma Cruise Ships. So for example, if you want to work for Royal Caribbean, you have to go on internet and type Royal Caribbean Cruise Ships jobs or Royal Caribbean careers. Or if you don't know how to do this, guys, I'm gonna give you direct links to all those cruise ships, so you can just click those links and go and apply, rather than getting the links from someone and those links will be like for scammers. No, guys, I don't want you to lose money. So there are two options when applying for cruise ship jobs. You can apply on the main company websites, like the main cruise ship company website, or you can apply to the agencies. So for example, guys, muno Zimbabwe tinoziva kuti kana pangone word rekuti agents, right? You have to pay money to agents, and then the agents will do all the paperwork for you. It's different with the cruise ship. So my cruise ship anima agencies out, but doesn't mean kuti you have to pay for the agencies to get the cruise ship job. So I'm gonna also going to link the links for the agencies where you can apply for the cruise ship job. So when applying to the cruise ship job using the agencies, once you apply on the websites, on the agent's website, and the process from the agencies, they never ask money from you, guys. All they need to do is to help you complete the paperwork needed for you to work on a cruise ship. So if you apply on any website or to any agencies and they are telling you to send money through any bank, or we are communicating on WhatsApp and they are saying for the process you need to pay a fee of $200 to do your paperwork. No, guys. These cruise ships, they have agencies. So these agencies, they can only help you to complete the needed documents, the needed paperwork. So kukubatsira kawanenge wachita ndekungoti wanokupa list. Let's say, okay, so for example, when you apply, After you apply, you got an interview. Once you got an interview, you attend the interview. Once you pass the interview, and then, for example, if you apply on the main website of the cruise ships, the cruise ship will give you an agent to help you, to give you all the needed documents for you to complete so you can come and work. So agent angoripo pakukubatsira, kukupa ma information ese, kukupa information ese iri kudiwa kuti ushande kuma ship. For example, anokupa information ekuti you have to complete a visa, you have to submit my CCW courses. Anenge achingokubatsira chete kuti ucomplete ma documents anenge achidiwa. That's where most of the people got scammed. Yes, because isusu tringo receive a message kune vanhu vatisingazive, and these people are coming on our inbox like WhatsApp. They are sending emails and telling you to pay such amount to get a cruise ship. No. So iwewe uka apply basa rekumaship pa main website, for example uka apply basa rekushipi pa Royal Caribbean website, you wait for them to respond to you through email. It takes time, guys. I know some of the people have been trying to apply for a while. Some of the people, they applied like 2 years ago, 1 year ago, 3 months ago, 2 weeks ago, but they never got response. I know, guys, it's really hard to get a cruise ship job, but it's easier if you have like cruise ship working experience before, and you want to change the ship. In this way it's easier, but kana usati wambotanga basa rekumaship, it's not guarantee kuti unowana basa. Mumwe anogona kuapply or reply in few weeks, like 2 weeks. Mumwe ano apply also reply after 1 month. Mumwe ano apply also reply after 1 year, 2 years. One want to apply but awatombowane response. Saka it's not guarantee kuti if you have a professional CV, it's not, doesn't mean kuti unowana basa very fast, or it doesn't mean kuti unowana basa at all. Unogona kutonga une CV rakanaka professional nyama CV, but pauno apply basa racho aumboriwane. Saka it depends with the cruise line and the time yawanotora vanhu. Kune time yawanotora vanhu vanyowani vasati vambowana basa, vasati vamboshanda muship, because the time yekuti vanotora vanhu wakamboshanda muship, wane experience mumaship already, then because the time yekuti vanotora both. So it's not predictable kuti when they recruit vari kurecruita vanhu vanyowani here, or vari kurecruita vanhu vane experience on board already. So you need to give a try, guys. Give a try, get a professional CV, give a try, and you see. Inini chaiye pandakawana basa rekumaship, ndanga ndisina experience yemuhotel. Experience yangu yange itoriwo yekango kakambani o kakango neta neyangu kambani o yemhepo, ndikatongo applyawo, ndikatonganawo lucky, ndikaona basa, ndikauya kuzoshanda kuno kuship. Saka now tiri pa island today. It's MSC Island. So guys, you need to give a try. Kana usina CV, make a professional CV. Kana usinga gone kugadzira CV, send me a message. I will help you to make a professional CV. Azindotobhadharisawo guys, nekuti ndinenge ndichitoshandisawo yangu time kuti ndikugadzirirewo CV. So if you want my help, send me a message so I can help you. Kana iwe uchigona, I can show you what you need to do and how to make a professional CV. I also have a video that I posted on my YouTube channel about how to make a cruise ship CV. So you can just follow that video and you can make your professional CV by yourself. But kana usinga gone, I can help you. Saka kana wa apply pa website. After you apply, it takes a while to get response. So once you get response, they send you an email for the interview. So this interview, you do it online. You attend the interview online. Once you attend the interview, and once you pass again, they will send you all the needed documents you need to complete for you to come on board and start to work. So that's when they give you my agencies. So ma-agencies aya ndo anozokubatsira kuita process yese, like to guide you kuti let's say iwe wanzi ita visa, wanzi ita ma-STCW, wanzi ita ma-medicals, agent ndiye anenge achikubatsira ma-papers ose wayo in terms of where you need to get your medicals, where you need to apply for your visa, where you need to apply for ma-STCW courses. So an agent angoripo chete pongokubatsira this process, not kuti you have to pay an agent mari kuti akuwanire basa, akutsvagire basa. No guys, kumaship hakuna izvozvo. So we have to be very careful. So ndakuenda panyaya yekuti iwewe wa apply basa, waita interview, wapasa interview, wakunzi ita ma needed documents ese anodiwa kuti uzotange kuenda kumaship. So ndeapi ma documents anodiwa kumashipi kuti ushande kushipi? Panodiwa visa guys, it depends kuti uri kunoshanda ku US here kana kuti uri kunoshanda ku Europe. Kana uri kushanda ku US panodiwa inonzi US visa, C1D visa. So agent wako anenge achikubatsira kuti where do you apply this visa. Chimwe chinhu chinodiwa ma-STCW courses, ma-certificates ema-CFA. So kana wane ma-certificates iwayo wanokuudza futi kuti ma-certificates aya anowanikwa kupi, uno-apply sei. And then the other thing, panodiwa ma-medicals, and then passport. Those are the important details. So ma-medicals futi wanokuudza kana uri ku Zimbabwe, kana uri ku South Africa, wanokuudza ma-places ekunotora ma-medicals. And then guys, what else you need to know about the cruise ship? So just a quick recap about what I was saying. So guys, I'm sorry because this video is not scripted. So kana waona usina kunzwisisa kuti ndangachida kutsaya kuti chii, please send me a message on the comment section. Also like this video, also subscribe to this YouTube channel, so whenever I post a video next time you get notified. In short, what I'm trying to say, you apply for cruise ship job on the main website or on the agent's website. Once you apply, you wait for a response from the cruise ship. They send you an email guys for interview. Kana wapiwa email ya interview, yo unaita interview yako online. Wapedza interview yako online, wanokuudza kuti yo wana basa. Kana wana basa ozokupa iwe ma paperwork ose, ma needed documents ose, aurunofana kuita kuti ushande kumashipi. Kana wakupa ma documents ese iwayo, you have to complete each document, like all those paperwork like visa, STCW, medicals and stuff. So once you complete all those needed details, wanozokusendera date wanokusendera date ne ticket kuti iwe uye kubasa. Ticket wanokubhadharira mahara, iwe chako chete ngoita ma needed documents and come to work. Wanokusendera ticket ndege kuti uye kubasa. Iwe kana uchida kuzonzwa dzimwe nyaya dzinoitika kumashipi, ma advantages ne ma disadvantages, guys subscribe to this YouTube channel so that next time whenever I post a video you will get notified. Just say something on the comment section so I can reply you guys, because this video is not scripted. So guys, kune wangu wanoti inini andina experience yekuti ndise pa CV. Guys, chingogadzirawo chi professional CV chekunyeba unogona kutoitawo like sezvo ndambotaura tine vanhu vakawanda sereki wakangogadzirawo ma fake CV wakatowanawo basa. Saka iwe you give a try, you never know. Unogona ngotono like iroro ukatongo apply otongo reply after 1 week or after 1 month. But chiri important ndechekuti iwe ukaisa position yekunyeba kana kuti experience yekunyeba pa CV pako, iwe you have to make sure kuti ukazowana interview you will be able to respond to the interview, you're able to answer all the needed questions in the interview. And you also have to know basa racho iyo kana wagadzira CV rekunyeba as a waiter. You have to know kuti waiter wacho unoshanda say everything about the waiter you need to know. So ukagadzira fake CV, you have to do my research on YouTube how to be a waiter, or you can take a course and get a certificate, because you can apply basa usingaziye and then you come for the interview. Let's say you also pass for the interview, woya kubasa